Welcome back to Health Care Tips by Alina, where we explore the wonderful world of spices and their amazing health benefits. In today's episode, we're diving into the fragrant world of cardamom, a spice that has been cherished for centuries. From culinary delights to its powerful health properties, we'll uncover the many benefits of cardamom. So, let's get started. History and introduction. Cardamom is not just any spice, it's often called the queen of spices. Let's begin by understanding its history and what it is. Cardamom, scientifically known as Elaichi cardamomum, is native to the lush forests of South India and has a rich history dating back thousands of years. It's known for its distinctive aroma, a marriage of citrus, mint, and earthy notes. Culinary uses. One of the most obvious benefits of cardamom is its incredible flavor. It's a versatile spice used in both sweet and savory dishes. It adds a depth of flavor to curries, biryanis, and desserts. But did you know it's a key ingredient in chai tea, giving it that comforting warmth and spice? Health benefits. Now, let's get into the health benefits of cardamom. First and foremost, it's rich in antioxidants, which can help fight oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants can contribute to improved heart health and may even reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Cardamom is also known for its digestive properties. It can help alleviate bloating, gas, and indigestion. You can make a simple cardamom tea by crushing a few pods and steeping them in hot water. Additionally, it's believed to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which may help with oral health. Chewing on a cardamom pod can freshen your breath and improve overall oral hygiene. Blood pressure regulation. Cardamom is known to have a positive impact on blood pressure. Its components may help relax blood vessels, reducing high blood pressure. This makes it a heart-healthy spice, as it can contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Skin health. If you're looking for clearer and healthier skin, cardamom can help. Its antioxidants can combat skin aging, reducing wrinkles and promoting a radiant complexion. Some skincare products even include cardamom as an ingredient for its rejuvenating effects. Stress relief. Cardamom doesn't just work wonders for your body, it's also good for your mind. The aromatic compounds in cardamom can have a calming effect, reducing stress and anxiety. Try adding a dash of cardamom to your evening tea for a soothing, aromatic experience. Conclusion. To sum it up, cardamom is more than just a spice. It's a powerhouse of flavor and health benefits. Whether you're using it in your cooking, for digestive relief, or to distress, this spice has a lot to offer. So, next time you reach for the spice rack, don't forget to include cardamom. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for tuning into Health Care Tips by Alina. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of spices, and stay healthy.